Okay, welcome back to season 2 of the Veganuary special, episode 1 of 31 episodes. In other words, you're gonna see my face for 31 days straight for the whole entire month of Veganuary. I always do it, well, I can't say always because this is the second season, but I like to help all the new vegans, you know, get on the journey, stay on the journey, and make it fun, you know what I'm saying? When I first went vegan, it was just like, the support wasn't there. And I'm here to support you guys, you know what I'm saying? I want to send a special shout out to everybody that's been following me, everyone that's subscribed, all my Instagram followers. If you're not following me on Instagram, head over to Instagram. If you bought some merch, take a picture of the merch. The merch is below. Take a picture, tag me on Instagram, and I will share you on the next video. Anyway, let's get into it. This video is going to be all about the best meat replacers. You know what I mean? Like meat replacers that you can have for your meat. You know, if you're just transitioning to a plant-based diet, maybe you don't know the best stuff to get. The stuff gets a little pricey. So I'll try to go over real fast my top 5 favorite vegan meat replacers. If there's more than 5, there'll be some honorable mentions. But I didn't write or rehearse any of this. You know what I'm saying? So let's get right into it. So my first favorite that we have to discuss is the best burgers to have on a plant-based diet that you can readily find just about anywhere. I'm gonna have to go with the Beyond Burgers for sure. You can get the Beyond Burgers for the 2-pack. It's about $4.50 or something along the lines of that. You can go ahead and grab those. You grill them up in a stove. You make them. They're really, really delicious. Really easy to make. Okay, so that's the burgers. And then next we're gonna move on to the hot dog / sausage. We're gonna call that the Beyond Sausage. Now, number 4, Beyond. Like, I know we're just standing on Beyond. If you're new to this channel, you probably don't know I'm like a little Beyond fanboy. So the Beyond sausages, right? They are absolutely delicious. They're 4 in a pack. They're a little pricey. They're like $8.99. I'll include a picture. But those things are delicious. Really good on the grill. If you make them on the stove, they're also good. Sometimes I split them in half and I'll put them on a bun. And you know, they're just delicious. Really, really flavorful. Really delicious. It's just simply amazing. So coming in number 3 is gonna be Fakin' Bacon. Fakin' Bacon is delicious. Tabitha, I'm not sure if you know who she is, but she drove the entire world crazy about a year or 2 ago over the Fakin' Bacon TTL sandwich. It was like a BLT with the avocado and all that stuff. But anyway, the Fakin' Bacon has to be one of the best bacons. There's actually 2. One is called Benevolent Bacon. I think I said the name right. It's from Sweet Earth. That bacon is really good. It's really, really dope. I would highly suggest either of those 2. Because there's no special order and ranking that I'm doing here. I pretty much like them all. So, number 2, we're gonna move right into the deli meat sandwiches. So, as far as some of the better deli meat sandwiches, some of my favorite are gonna be the Light Life brand. Just the brand, period. They carry a lot of different, like, flavored deli meat sandwiches or deli meats. All of them are pretty delicious, like really absolutely delicious. I mean, I don't even know how to explain it. They really got it down pat. Their meats are really good. I'll put them on a sandwich, and I've made it for a group of entire people that are not vegan, and they lost their mind because I melted it with cheese and I made, like, you know, I put it on my little panini press. Oh my God, they lost their mind. It was so delicious. It was really, really good. All right. Last but not least, number 1. Also, let me let you know, this is in no specific order of what I like most. These are just 5 solutions to having some deli meats or having some vegan meats, so to say, so that if you're craving a meat product, you can still have the taste and the flavor without the harm of trying to get away from meat. You know what I'm saying? So, but another great company to go with. is gonna be Honest Pastors. Their food, oh my god, amazing. I've had their steak, their vegan pepperoni, the list goes on. I've tried a lot of their stuff. I really want to try the ribs. I haven't got around to it yet, but the Honest Pastor ribs look amazing. I would highly suggest their ribs as well. So that's gonna about do it for the vegan meats. There's plenty more. I just can't think of them in my mind right now. Like I said, I didn't rehearse for this video because I want to be sure to get you guys a new video every single day of this month, and I hope you guys are ready for that. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. 31 days straight. I'm doing this while working my full-time job. If you're looking to buy a house, email me. If you're looking to do a pop-up or collab with me, email me. Anything you try to do, anything we could do together, let me know. If you have any other suggestions for videos that could help you become a better vegan, let me know and drop them in the comments below. Peace, guys. I love you. Follow me on IG at _vegan mechanic. Peace.